Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here today. So for today's video, I have a floral collage that I did using collage papers that I created completely myself, and I'm doing it on a fluid art background. So it's definitely a mixed media piece, and yeah, let's just get down to the table and pour some paint and get right into it. For this part, I'm just giving you a little insight to my printing process when I'm doing a bunch of collage papers for a piece. And this is probably 3 hours or so of printing over a couple of days that I've condensed down into a couple of minutes. This isn't meant to be a comprehensive tutorial on gel printing. If you guys would like me to do something like that, please put that in the comments below. But otherwise, this is just giving you a little insight so you can kind of see how I play around with layers and whatnot. And then we'll get on to the actual collage piece.
It's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come up.
What I'm doing now is I am simply starting to tear my papers into roughly petal shapes. And I get a fair pile of these before I start trying to work with the overall composition and whatnot. And then what you'll see me doing is I start layering it, and I start layering from bigger to smaller. And also I'm working with the colors and contrast and whatnot. And some of the pieces I put down, I end up realizing I wish I had a little more contrast. So I will keep layering on top of that. And I also will be using a lot of those more transparent pieces to layer on top as well, because that gives a lot more variation, because you can see the depth through those transparent sheets. And from there, it's just really a lot of just kind of working with it. And I will say, I did this whole collage over a matter of probably 3 days. And it wasn't really that much working time, but I would finish a section of it, and then I would go back and I'd want a little more contrast or variation, and I kept adding to it. So a lot of it was kind of 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, and just kind of playing with it until I got a composition that I was really happy with.
But I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, 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 one-on-one,
The last thing I wanted to talk about here is I'm using some stencils to bring focal point to the center of the flower. I decided I really needed that to make the composition pop. So I'm just using a little bit of gel gloss medium to seal the stencil, and then I'm going over it with a mix of gold mica and some heavy gel gloss medium, and that way the stencil work stays really crisp and clear, and it gives a little more texture to the end result. And I did 2 of the flowers in gold, and then I did 2 of the flowers in with a white center. And I did end up liking the white center a little bit better. I think it pops a little bit more for this particular color grouping. And here we are with the final results. I am super happy with this. I'm loving these different floral arrangements. Now there are a few spots where I kind of wish I had a little more contrast, but overall I'm really liking this a lot. I do like the white center better than the gold. I think it sets things off a little bit better. And I love this background for my floral collage. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, please leave them as well. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.